Hello, sir.
Yes, me.
Can I show the report tomorrow? Whatever I can do.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, Varshishta, how are you? So, getting adjusted to India timing. I'm going to send you. I'm going to send you now. Are you in a position to show me any of your designs? I'm going to send you a link. I want you to join that link. Okay. Just 1 minute. And this is my permanent Google Meet link. It ends with JRS. So whenever I say, can you join JRS? This is where you would join. Okay? You can join there. Okay. All right. Hi, Abhi. Who's that? Hasnain, Somani, Young. Three of you have joined. Are you all AI guys?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Have you done any specific work in AI?
Yeah.
AI and machine learning, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I have
Uh,
experience with machine learning and AWS tools. I just did a project recently using them and training AI models.
okay.
Yeah,
So
I've done like some projects during my undergraduate, but I just started my masters, so recently no, nothing. But like I have done some projects in the past. And my
now,
project also won like the best People's Choice Award in Hong Kong, so yeah, that too.
so
Yeah,
Hasnain,
and
you came from Hong Kong?
No, so I came from Pakistan, but like we went to a competition, APICTA Awards, that's Asia Pacific ICT Awards. We went to a competition in Hong Kong. And in that competition, our project won People's Choice Award over there. So
So your graduation you did in Pakistan
yeah. So I did my bachelor's in Pakistan, and right now I'm doing my master's from UT Arlington,
from
University of
UT
Texas, Arlington.
Arlington, UT Arlington. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, and do me a favor.
um,
I'm going to put my phone number in the chat, and Rakesh is there. He will put his phone number also in the chat, so you will uh, know how you can get hold of us. Okay. Uh, and I'm sitting here in New Jersey, and Rakesh is in India. Uh, so I'm the CEO of the company. Rakesh is the CTO. I'm going to put my phone number, and do send me information on the kind of work you have done, your CV, so that we can get connected. Okay.
Okay.
And one more person has joined right now, Varshishta. Rakesh, you are not talked to her. She is from, uh, I guess, Illinois, University of Illinois, right? Is it
Yeah,
university or is it
Illinois
uh,
Institute of Technology.
Illinois Institute of Technology? Okay. And your background is primarily design, and you wanted to show us some of your Figma designs.
Yes. Yes.
Rakesh, uh, she can help you in in the UI UX designs for our CJN project. Varshishta, you have, uh, in fact, all of you should have some background on Smart Cookie and CJN. Do you have that?
yes, we had
Yep.
a document for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would strongly recommend you to study that, because those are the two primary startup projects for which we are trying to get people. Okay, Now, while we are working on that, I will get to know you guys, and also if there are any particular areas of interest that you have that we can um, give you projects in, we'll try to do on that also. What I found, sometimes people have worked before they start their masters. So between their graduation and masters, they have done some work. We would like to know about that also, because that might become something that we can mention to uh, other customers that may come on the scene. And if they have any projects, if you want to work on those projects, we can at least offer those to you. Okay. So we want to know everybody's skills here. Now we will start with Varshishta. uh, Rakesh, because on your CJN you were looking for some UI UX designers. Are you there, Rakesh? Hold on, I will try to make sure that he joins back. But Varshishta, please become a presenter.
Oh, okay, sir.
And I think Rudra, you just joined. Where are you from?
Yes, sir. I am from California, Los Angeles.
So Los Angeles, which college?
California State University, Northridge.
California State University. And what is your area of interest?
Machine learning, generative AI.
Machine learning, generative AI. Okay, all right. Now you are in a position to uh, start any project in machine learning right away. First thing is, are all of you available right away? Because sometimes people come in and they say they want to join in 3 months or something like that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, sir. I am available right now. Join. I'm ready to join.
okay, great. That is
I'll be
you.
ready to join in summers. I'm not ready right now.
Hassan, you are ready to join when?
In summers,
So when?
May, April or May.
I'm ready to join in January. It calculate it now
And
in
how
January.
do you say your name?
Hong.
Hong.
Yeah.
Okay.
In January, it's just a few days. It
Yeah, no
does
problem.
it calculate?
And Hong, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam, but I'm currently in the US.
Yeah, but you're originally from you
Vietnam.
said Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And how long have you been in US?
5 years.
Oh, okay. All right, that's good. We have another person whose name is the first name is similar to yours. Is there also a boy's name?
That the middle name, but it's in the US. I don't
So,
know. It's included in the first name.
oh, okay. What's your first name?
Hong.
Hong. That's the first name.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
In the US.
And
Exactly.
in China they have also a Christian or a American name. Do you have any American name?
No.
No. Okay. So Hong is how you are called by your friends, and in college you are known as Hong.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And what's your area of interest?
It's the AI and machine learning.
AI and machine learning. Okay. So basically majority of your AI and machine learning, but now whatever we do, the UI UX is a very important part of our interface with the customers. So Varshishta, who is showing her screens, is the AI is the designer. So UI UX person. So go ahead, Varshishta. Please present.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Varshita. I'm a current student at Illinois Institute of Technology. I completed 1 year of my master's. I have more 6 months and I'll be graduating in May 2025. And this is a project, this Figma design is a project which we created in collaboration with our university career services team. It's just a practice for us, like how well we are implementing our skills in like which we have learned in academics, how well we are implementing it practically. So this is a Figma design of our application. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, it is a night out application. Basically, it's an application where a group of people can create an event like on like a normal event, like whether it is a gathering or a party or something. They can create here and they can invite other friends who are wanted to join them. Uh, that sort of a thing. And this is the color palette for our application. Like it is a night out application, so we thought of putting it in a like a contra like colors, mixed colors, and we took it as in a night theme for this. And this is a home screen. Here there will be a carousel or carousel, and here we can search for events and user ID. First there will be login and sign up. New user can sign up here, existing user can log in here, and after login this screen pops up with the user names and what are the events they are part of, and the plan which they created. And if they wanted to create a new event or plan, they can start it here. And this is a list of event screen, going on the particular day when they wanted to go out. They can choose from this event and they can send an invitation to other people whom they wanted to join with them. And this is on clicking on particular event, this screen appears, like a plan name and everything, who are hosting, and who are the attendees of that particular. And they can also chat, like communication between the attendees who are going to the particular event. And the event creator can invite the link, he can access the delete and edit links also. There will be two screens, one is the event creator and the collaborator, like two separate screens. When the when event creator creates the screen, this will be appearing. And the collaborator, when he will see the screen, this details will be removed. The same screen but a different one.
Okay. Now, have you seen the Continuous Job Network, CJN, and the write-up? Did you read that? It's basically creating a 24-hour TV channel around placement.
Okay.
So we will, from your point of view, we are really needing for a lot of input from your side
Okay.
on the UI UX. Okay, I will show you uh, some of the layouts there and the concept. And the I will also talk to AIML people. Rocky, this Varshishta, you are in Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, now I came here for the vacation.
Right, right. I know, I know.
Yeah.
Now, Rocky, Shilpa is also in Hyderabad. So, Shilpa was supposed to be on these calls with me. Have you talked to her today?
No.
Okay. Can you text her, tell her that this meeting is going on and if she is available, because she's supposed to start at 11 p.m. India time, right? So, maybe she might be available. If she's available, ask her to join. Okay,
Okay,
just
sir.
at least see if she joins, so we can connect these two people who are in the same city. And I will, in the meantime, just show them so that all these people get some uh, idea for what we are looking for. And then we'll talk about other AIML projects also. I do want to get some ML people started on the project, but let me first show you this. app.cjnnow.com. So Varsishta, just take a look at this, okay? Uh, Now,
Yeah.
here what we wanted to do was to create uh, uh, TV shows that will be uh, all job related, okay? And uh, and all this. Now, why this is? I guess my voice is coming. There is echo, but uh, in this portion, which is right now looking like a replica of the rest of it, but there will be different TV shows over here, and these people who are attending these TV shows, watching these TV shows, they can see them in different format. So in here, in this layout too, this is where the TV portion, the ad portion, and the breakout rooms, okay, or a, a layout where it will be basically TV portion and the breakout rooms. The breakout rooms are meant for interviewing candidates with different for different projects. Okay, so in here on the TV show, if we are uh, having whether it's a training session, whether it's assessment, whether it's a group discussion, whether it's uh, students getting interviewed or candidates getting interviewed by employers. Uh, if the interviews are about, let's say, blockchain, and then the companies that are interested in those kind of projects or the students that are interested in those kind of projects uh, will be able to go into different interview rooms by scanning these QR codes. And then when they go into the interview rooms, they may get jobs uh, offered to them. So the whole idea is to create a real-time process of connecting the employers and candidates. And when the candidates are appearing here, oh, this is echoing basically whatever I'm talking. Okay. Uh, when Rocky comes, will
Well, you can put that voice. There is voice option. No, put that on mute. You can
where
play. Yes, you can play this
no,
in
no,
the.
no. What I'm saying, Rocky, is uh, do you have any other shows here where they are like
Right now we are live on CJN, so we can't play any other show until unless we close this.
no on live on CJN, but this QR codes. So in here, suppose you wanted to show a interview live on CJN means if people scan this, they will go into interview room,
Yes, if they scan HR, GNME, they will go in the Mandas meeting.
right? But right now, if you have, I don't know, the QR code for AI projects. If they scan that, do you have Rakesh available to interview these people for AI projects?
Right now, no.
No. Okay. All right. So that setup you are not done. So this is in the middle of testing. But Varshishta, now I showed you 3 layouts. So I want you to think about this and come up with your ideas on UI UX
Hmm.
of what it would show or how it would look on a satellite TV show, on YouTube kind of TV show, on an Android app, mobile app, how it will look on a mobile kind of footprint, how it will look on a tablet kind of layout. Okay.
Okay.
So you think about this now for other people, the AML side. Okay. Uh, let me see if I can uh, show you something. Uh, uh, Rocky, are you back?
Very much, sir.
Okay. Uh, Also, see, you can get Rakesh on this call. Okay. Now, I'm trying to show them uh, whatever other CJN shows that you might have uh, created on YouTube, Rocky. These are
Yes,
CJN.
yes, yes.
Uh,
First one, sir. First one. You have to click the first one. Not this one, sir.
then
First
which
one.
one?
Top on the top. No, sir. This is again. You have to click the same link. No, go on the top. Yes, this region. Correct.
This one? Okay.
Yes. So now you can show them.
Okay. So uh, uh, now, do you have any of candidates? These are the video mails. What is this show?
This is training. No, this is campus TV radio. That this girl, what is her name? I don't remember now. Hindu. I think it's an Hindu's meeting recording. What do you want to show them? You want to show them video
No, what
CV?
different types of? What is this? Is this the people's video mails?
No, this is personal interview.
Yeah, but is this a candidate? Is she a
Yes.
candidate or is she an interviewer?
Right now, she's a candidate.
She's a candidate. So is she presenting her video resume?
Kind of. Yes.
Okay. Now for the AIML people, okay.
Mm.
So we showed you and we have sent you the write up on CJN, and there are multiple different types of shows, all job related. Okay. So one of them is a candidate coming and presenting himself. Other one can be employer presenting themselves. But when a candidate is presenting, okay, can we use any AI to judge the candidate's confidence level? Uh, if we mm, put them through an interview process, or if we put them through a group discussion process, okay, uh, what kind of AI can we use to evaluate the candidates or to compare them with each other? Okay, so where AI can be used for supporting the hiring process. This is one of the things that I would want to hear from you people, whether you have done any job in that. Now, the other types of shows that will come here is there is a um, uh, there is a job network news. So we want to create uh, a newsletter kind of situation where a newscaster is coming and talking about the jobs that are in demand today based on the advertisements placed by various different employers, whether they are in Indeed, whether they are in LinkedIn, whether they are in Monster, and we are building uh, AI interfaces to help the employers to present their job descriptions in video format, and we are going to help candidates to present their resumes in the video format. So the whole idea is to build a video based placement program and to use AI technology as one of the component technologies of that. Okay, so I would want to hear uh, from you guys, uh, your thoughts, your ideas. of what we can do in this placement space. If people have any background in fintech, and if they want to suggest something that they can contribute to fintech or to health tech, all those kind of projects are going to happen. Okay. So I would want to hear from people one by one, but I wanted to just kind of give some idea of this. No, rewards engine, whatever we have sent you, have you people read this? No, I see some more people have joined. Kiran, you just now joined. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore, but currently I'm studying
I can't
masters
hear.
in.
I can't hear you, Kiran.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, your voice was not clear.
Now,
You just speak up a little bit.
okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm currently originally from Bangalore, but I'm studying masters in AI engineering and chemical engineering in Carnegie Mellon University. I'm here for A and ML internship.
Okay.
I
And
came
what is the college name you said?
Carnegie Mellon.
Carnegie Mellon. Okay.
Um, I got an, I mean, I got the invitation today, but
Yeah,
I couldn't join very
we
early.
basically invited all the people that had applied for AIML, and this is like get to know you people and see what kind of project would make sense to you, what you would enjoy, and where you can
Yeah.
contribute. Okay, so we can uh, start. Uh, you want to go ahead first? Introduce yourself and tell me what kind of project.
Hello, sir.
Particular. Yes, go ahead.
I have one idea. Like there is a video interview process, so we can make a one generative AI model which can convert the video interview to blocks, so other can easily read and go through in very less time. You give the example this video interview. It's just it's take like 42 minutes to take a whole video.
So is that something that you can work on, Rudra?
Yeah,
Okay, that would be great. Okay,
yeah,
so I would say to you on CJN, okay, trying to use AI in that process, how it can help the candidates, okay,
yeah,
how it can help the employers, how it can help the interview process, so that the employers can make a better decision
yeah,
by uh, arranging the meetings. And there are different types of shows. So very simply, there are a lot of people who have their resumes in the form of just a document. Okay. Now, reading a 3-page document is not as interesting as listening to somebody talk. Okay.
yeah.
So, uh, you know, if
We can
if you
also do summarize.
right now,
Yeah.
not only summarize, you can also present yourself a little better. Okay.
Okay.
So why don't you? I mean, if you are in a position, turn on your camera and uh, talk about yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Just give me a minute.
So instead of resume, we are getting a video resume. Okay. Now Rocky is our HR guy. Rocky, you can put your. Rocky is going to put his phone number, and he's in India. Uh, we are also trying to find people in US that can help me, because I'm in New Jersey. I need more help in conducting meetings like this. We have almost 700 applicants in this just AIML space. Okay, so it's very important to talk to people to make sure that we can form proper team and there is a right match. Okay, so now Rocky will also put in a yeah, link for uh, startupworld.in. That's a site where we are requesting people to log in, put their information so that when you need any internship offer, so that you can submit it to your college for credits, or you can submit it for OTP, OPT visa. Some people need that. So for that time, Rocky can help you with getting you the right uh, documentation. But go ahead, Rudra. You can become a presenter and present yourself. And each one of you see is very important. We do believe that you can communicate a lot better uh, with videos, and that's why we are trying to create this video platform.
So basically, like right now I don't have projects, or like I have to turn on my camera like that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm Rudra Patel. But right now pursuing masters in computer science in California State University North. I completed my bachelor's in India, and I also done several internships. 8-month internship in ISRO in data science, as well as I have also work as a machine learning engineer in Medcard Pharmacy. Then after I came to US and doing right now I'm doing my masters.
Rudra, can you do me a favor and put your phone number in the chat so that
Absolutely, sir. Yeah.
I can. Uh, and I put mine already, so you can also send your CV. So Rudra, if you can uh, help us integrate use of video to enhance students' chances for getting selected. Okay, that would
Okay.
be great. Simply even creating a proper video summary of their credentials, their passion, their vision, what is it that they would like to do, you know, that would be extremely helpful. Okay.
Sure, sir.
So, you, we can talk little later after this meeting is over. I would love to talk to you about this AI interview room that we had created. We showed you the QR codes. You scan the QR code, you go into a interview room where employer will interview you. But if you are seeing this show or it's rerun in the middle of the night and the employer is not available for interviewing, we'll create an AI interview room where, like the interviewer's avatar will question you, will collect your information, will evaluate you to some degree, so that the
Yeah, yeah.
employer will get information about you and take a quick decision for the next step in the process. Okay.
Sure, sir. We
So
can build a chat bot like that. AI
exactly.
chat bot. Yeah.
Right, right. So we will talk on that. Now, the next person, uh, who else was there? He has gone. Uh, okay, Hong, you want to talk? Han, you want to present
Uh,
yourself?
okay.
Yes, Hussein.
Okay. I had a question.
Yes, Hussein.
Since you said that this opportunity is for everyone who is ready to join right now, but like I won't be eligible
No,
for
no, that's okay.
CPT.
Hassan, I understand. I didn't say that the opportunity is for only those who can join right now. I need to know who can join right now. Okay. So if you're going to join in May, that's okay. Then uh, I will expect you to be available in May, and Rocky will expect you to be available in May. So when you register on Startup World, I didn't realize that people would come in who would not be ready to join right away. So we will create now that provision. Okay. Having found out that some people are coming on the interviews, uh, I would love to have them start working with us in some way, even if not in a full capacity. Full capacity meaning, I guess, typically in internship, people plan to work for about 20 hours a week. Okay. Now, let's presume you are available for 20 hours a week in the month of May. So that's okay. We'll expect you in, for 20 hours at that time. In the meantime, oh, what happened? This is what we want to avoid. We want to avoid people uh, disappearing in the middle of the process. But let's, Hassan, I don't know whether you are there, you got disconnected, or what happened.
No, I'm here. I'm listening.
Oh, okay. Uh, so, so what is your question? I have clarified that uh, that those who are ready to start can start today. Those who are ready to start in May, I'll give you, you know, a different project, or it could be phase 2 of the same project, just like the AI interview room. Suppose Rudra starts it right now, and uh, if you are available, and suppose you want to contribute in the same space, then you can join the same project in May. Does it answer your question?
Yep, it does.
Okay, great. So let's hear uh, Han. Please present yourself.
Hi everybody, my name is Hong and I'm currently uh, studying in the major computer science at Grand Valley. And my dream job is become the data analyst and be more expert in machine learning. And I had the internship in the data scientist, and this soon will get me to the machine learning project. So far I only learned the machine learning due to the assignment, not any real project. So I hope I can learn it from here.
So in machine learning, is there a particular domain in which you are interested?
Yes,
What is the domain in which you are interested?
machine learning.
Yeah, but in machine learning, is there a particular area in which you want to apply machine learning? You know, is it in finance? Is it in health?
Oh,
Is it in
is it in,
entertainment? You know,
in finance and health? Only that.
in finance,
Yeah.
okay,
And health.
and health,
Yeah, and health.
okay.
Mm.
No. Oh, do you have any background in LLMs,
Can you say again?
large language models? Have you worked in that?
Oh, not just in only small data, not the large language. Yeah.
And any of the projects that you have done, will you be able to demonstrate those?
It's just like training on the small data set, not the whole project for the machine learning.
See, when you start with an existing data set, then you are not really focusing on how to get the data. Where do you get the data? Then you are expecting somebody to give you an Excel sheet on which you will do some analysis, right?
Yeah.
But if you are talking of an application, then where will the data come from? Okay, is it going to come from patient in their home setting, or a patient doctor interface? Uh, so in your machine learning projects, uh, did you work with any team for data collection?
It's just like all the general data set on the online, like for example, in the Irish data, that Irish data.
See, what I would want to do is, maybe to some other people who are working on healthcare. There is one person, Rocky, you remember this guy, Shiansh, who has done decent work on uh, use of AI for arthritic chatbot that can use X-ray images and communicate with the patient. And now to take some exam. So, Hong, what I will do is I'll get you connected to that project. and see if you can take that up to whatever level he has come and take it to the next phase. Okay. So it's and what I was talking to him was the way he had done was take arthritic X-ray images and provide some uh, chatbot on that data set. Okay. Uh, but what I was thinking was helping patients get additional information from uh, all sorts of data that is available on the internet based on their uh, queries. Okay. So if they have a particular healthcare problem, instead of they themselves searching on the web, can our chatbot help them by searching and by helping them connect to patients with similar conditions? Okay. Uh, so if you want to work on that thing, I will have Rocky connect you to the intern who's signing off from that project and see if you can take up. Uh, in finance, have you done any work in finance? Do you have any finance background?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, not okay. So then maybe we'll stick to this healthcare project we're talking about, and so put your phone number in the chat, and also do register in that uh, startup world link that Rocky has given, and we will take it from there. Uh,
Oh,
let's go to the next person.
thank
Uh,
you.
no,
Uh,
is Abhi still there or Abhi signed out? There was a guy named Abhi. I don't know where he disappeared. Uh, Rocky, you arrange this on Google Meet, right? Yeah, they are all on JRS. So maybe Rocky will have to come up with a way of registering people when they sign up, so that you will have a way of getting back to them. But okay, who is the next one now?
uh, Hello, sir.
Yes, Prince.
Yeah, so like, should I introduce myself?
Sure, sure, please.
Yeah. So like, good afternoon, everyone. It's pleasure to meet you, and thank you for giving this opportunity. And so like, my name is Prince Gupta, and I'm more passionate about data science. So like, I'm currently studying for my master's in data science at Pace University in New York, focusing on data analytics and machine learning part. So I have hands-on experience working on the projects where I've created tools like NLP-based text summarization project. I also develop a heart disease prediction model, and also analyze the NYC open data to uncover the useful insights. So yeah, I've also completed some micro
Which
internships.
NYC open data did you use?
NYC taxi trip data.
Taxi,
Yeah, taxi trip data.
taxi trip. Okay.
Yeah. Yes,
They
sir.
also have a lot of good data on healthcare.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
NYC open
They
data
have.
is a good thing.
Yes.
Now, Prince, we have
Mhm.
a lot of people, almost 60, 70 people from Pace University. Okay.
Okay.
And we do
Okay.
want to implement in Pace University. We do
Okay.
have another candidate. I think his interest is DevOps. And yours is,
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, he's my roommate. Actually.
oh, really? What
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah.
What
Rahul,
is his name?
Rahul Sharma. Rahul Sharma. Actually, he's
Rahul
my roommate.
Sharma. Right,
Yeah,
right,
he's
right.
my roommate. Actually. Yeah.
Wonderful. So
Yeah.
then
Yes.
you and Rahul uh,
Mm-hmm.
should take the lead in implementing either CJN or Smart Cookie
Mm-hmm.
in
Okay.
Pace University. Okay. And
Okay. Yeah.
in fact, if uh, time permits,
Mm-hmm.
I could meet you in next 2 3 days
Yeah. Yeah.
uh,
Sure. For
because
sure.
I'm going to go to California on the 17th
Okay.
to meet some of the interns.
Okay.
in San Francisco
Okay.
and San Jose area. But
Okay.
before that, I would want to get started something with the Pace University.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure, sure. Yeah.
So let's put your phone number in the chat. Okay.
Okay.
So let's specifically talk about implementation at Pace University.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, for
All
sure.
right. So please put your phone number in the chat,
Mhm.
and we'll go to the next. So Hasnan, you want to talk about your background and what you would want to do?
Yeah, for sure.
Sure.
So
Go
my name is Hasnan, and I've done bachelor's in computer science from Pakistan.
ahead.
And after that, in my FYP, I made in
Hasnan, where in Pakistan?
Karachi.
Karachi. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
And in my final year project during my undergraduate studies, we made a meter recognition application for one of the biggest gas suppliers in Pakistan for SSGC, that's Swiss Southern Gas Company. So our project is being run in pilot over there. And with that same project, we went in APECTA Awards competition in Hong Kong, and we won two awards over there. One was a Merit Award, and the other one was People's Choice Award with the same project.
Uh,
So that project was implemented using OpenCV, machine learning, CNNs, and a lot of things. So after that, I worked as a software engineer in Habib Bank AG Zurich. That's a multinational bank across like 8 countries in the world.
yeah, I
And
know
after
Habib
that,
Bank.
I came here for my master's.
And what did you do for Habib Bank?
I was a software engineer. So, like in Pakistan, we don't usually get data science opening roles. So, like, you need an experience for that. And I was a fresh grad. So, I had to be a software engineer.
I see. So, but what kind of application did you work?
I worked with Java, Spring Boot, and all of that.
Java? No, no. But application, was it uh, was it commercial loans? Was it
No, I
mortgage,
worked. I worked on credit cards.
credit card? And what
Yeah.
exactly did you do in credit card?
So, like, updating the functionality of the ATM machines, and like introducing new features to it and all of it. So
Are you
mostly in the back end of ATMs.
in Pakistan? Do they have gift cards?
Yep, yeah, they do.
Uh, in US there are gift cards. Okay,
Hmm.
and how popular are the gift cards in Pakistan?
Like not very popular, but like for big brands, it is popular. But like for little brands, people don't care about it.
But even for big brands, are the gift cards sold in that particular place only, or like in US, if you walk into Best Buy or Walmart or Home Depot, anywhere, you will see a kiosk where
Yeah,
there are 200 types of gift cards.
yeah.
Okay, is it the same situation in Pakistan?
No, like here we can find it in many stores, like in Best Buy, Walmart, and all of that. There
Right.
you can only find it in Carrefour. That's it.
Where?
Carrefour is like a Dubai's brand. It's some people pronounce it as Carrefour. It's CARRFOUR. So like that's
Yes.
one of the biggest supermarkets in Dubai and Karachi.
So in Carrefour supermarkets, you find that.
Yeah, that's the only place where you find the gift cards, except for the
I see.
stores.
Okay, interesting. Uh, okay. Uh, so, what is your area of interest? Like, where would you want? Now, you said something about this. What is it? Swiss company? That
Sui
was
Southern Gas Company.
Swiss Southern Gas Company.
Yeah, SUI Southern Gas Company. SSGC.
And what did the gas company? They actually provide gas through pipes or gas cylinders.
Yeah, they provide gas through pipes. Like they're the biggest supplier in southern Pakistan for gas. So like they have gas meters and everything. They wanted to automate the meter reading process. Like right now, what they were doing is like they had hired meter readers. They used to go to every meter and read them. They wanted to automate that process. So for that, our team did the project for them. So like they gave that project to our university. Our university gave that project to us, so me and my two other teammates, all three of us implemented that project for them. And right now they're running that project in pilot, and they're gonna like join their backend with that project, and soon that project is gonna be their main thing.
Interesting. Uh, so that's like a utility company, and I'm familiar with those kind of billing systems. It was mostly a billing project.
Yeah, it was a bit like it was a meter reading project. Like reading meters, reading digits is like really easy from the MNIST data set and everything. That's really easy. But if you want to read it through a meter, it's hard because like sometimes the last digit, it does not turn up completely.
Hmm.
Like if it's an 8, the meter, like the model would usually read it as a 0,
Hmm.
because like it doesn't completely go
Right,
up
right,
like the meters
got
that
it.
we usually have. So
Hmm.
like that thing was really hard, but we worked on that project for over a year. And like
Hmm.
when we gave the presentation for it and everything in Hong Kong, so that's how we won the award for that too, because the implementation was not easy. Like we had to try CNN, we had to try deep learning, we had to try OpenCV. And like after using bagging and boosting and all of that, like after trying a lot of things, we finally achieved an accuracy of 98%.
Oh, very good. Uh, all right. Put in your phone number in the chat, and which would be your area of interest? Would it be like the SSDC kind of project, or would it be a credit card project?
I mean, the area doesn't really matter as long as it's related to data science and AI and machine learning. I'm okay with it because, like, again, I cannot restrict myself to just credit cards. I'm open to exploring new things because earlier it was meter reading, then I went to credit cards. So, like, I'm okay with changing my field because, like, I can adapt to it. But
Fair
as
enough.
long as it is related to data science and AI, I'm good.
Okay, fair enough. All right. Put in your phone number in the chat, and do register in that startable.in.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thanks. Uh, so, Kiran,
Hello, can you hear me?
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, my name is Kiran. I'm studying Masters in Carnegie Mellon University.
Now you have to speak up, Kiran. You are very soft.
So, hello, now can you hear me?
Yeah, Kiran.
Yes. Okay. My name is Kiran. I'm studying Masters in AI Engineering from Carnegie Mellon University. I've done projects on bank marketing sector where I took data from UCI machine learning repository. The data is related to direct marketing campaigns of Portuguese bank institution. The goal is to classify or to predict whether the client will subscribe to a term deposit or not. I took a different approach using two different ensemble methods.
Kiran,
To,
you have done this project. Do you have any project report or project presentation? Anything that you can show?
right now, I'm in the process of making this report because I need to submit it tomorrow. I have finals tomorrow coming up. So this is my class project which I've done, and I have a thesis project as well, which I worked on graph attention networks. Uh, I was working with a company called Linde. I have a date which where I took like vehicle routing problem, specifically capacitated vehicle routing problem. There I trained the model based on graph attention networks, and based on those routes and I constructed a graph based on encoder and decoder models, and I used reinforcement learning, specifically policy gradient reinforcement learning, to get the routes of this particular different solution in different instances based on the graph whichever we are getting. And I think I have a project report on that, which I can show you right now. Hello.
Uh, uh, Kiran, I'm not able to hear you well, so I could not comprehend your project. So what I was asking you was if you had any project report, then you can present it. Okay. If you had any pitch deck, uh, any process flow, anything that you had created for the project. Now you are in Carnegie Mellon. That's a great place, and and if we can implement our rewards engine or CJN in Carnegie Mellon, that will be great. Rocky, do you know how many people from Carnegie Mellon have applied? Rocky, are you there?
I do not know the exact count. I have to check that, but yeah, it's a good number.
Yeah,
It's
can you
more than.
please check up while we are talking? You know, because I would want to see if Kiran can help us in doing that implementation at Carnegie Mellon. Actually, I'm going to meet somebody, Kiran, on this Saturday who has graduated from Carnegie Mellon. Is in healthcare research. Now he's in New York. But so, Kiran, what is your area of specialization or area of interest?
Uh, Actually, initially I worked with mostly finance sectors and optimization sectors, but I want to change my area of interest to health sector, specifically based on any sets based on neuroscience or ML based brain imaging.
See, for implementing something, the smart cookie rewards as well as CJN, for both the implementation at any college, we got to get lot of preparation we have to do. Finding enthusiastic students with different backgrounds, whether it's in technology, whether it's in mass comm, whether it's in AI, ML, data science. Now, finding the right people, that's itself is one place where we can use AI. Then we need to find employers who would be interested in participating in that process. Even there, we can use AI. Uh, and third area is that of sponsors and advertisers. And even for those people, we would like to use AI to identify those people. Would you be interested in working on that space?
Uh, Mostly, I'm okay with working on anything related to ML right now. Hello.
Why
Can
don't
you hear me?
you study the two project description that have been sent to you
Okay.
and come back to me with a proposal on how we can use AIML in that project.
Okay.
All right.
Can I present my screen
Sure,
showing
please do.
project?
And do put your phone number also in chat.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my project which I've done. So basically, I was solving vehicle routing problems with deep reinforcement learning. I would say like we have an instance which the set of customers and the main depot has zero, and we are trying to find a different solutions and different route for this particular instance. Where we have some certain constraints to be followed as well. So I have used gymnasium for reinforcement learning, and I've used PyTorch computation for ML deep reinforcement learning. Uh, the main issue there, the main algorithm or main model which I've used for training this particular model is graph attention networks. I put the data or the instance. I'll be inputting to a multi-head encoder, which will try to find all possible routes for this particular problem. Then we'll go through a multi-head attention network decoder, where the model will mask a particular routes or my particular customer, which is not very required or which is like you don't want to have go over there. I will try to create a different set of routes. We'll just mask the we'll just mask the solutions over time, and we'll get like here I have checked around 1,000 instances, so we'll get around 1,000 solutions for each. Then, based on reinforcement learning, the model will try to find which is the optimal route based on the what constant we have set for, and we'll get an output based on whichever is the optimized model. This is my project, and I'll use graph attention networks where I'll be using.
And how many people worked on this project with you?
No, this was my single project. I was working with a company called Linde. I Yeah, it was a collaboration project with Linde, and these were my external advisors.
It's pretty interesting. You have my number.
Okay.
You know, when you're done with your project submission, maybe you can send me a copy. Uh, but uh, this is interesting. Um, now, think about how we can use AI in the implementation of CJN, and I would like to discuss that with you. You said you are going to present this tomorrow.
No, this is one of the projects. This is my thesis project. There is one more project related to banking sector. Uh,
What
I'll
is that?
be uh, the data set which I've taken is from UC Irene or Machine Learning Repository UCI. The data is related to direct marketing campaigns run by Portuguese banking institution. We are trying to classify or to predict if a client will subscribe to a term deposit based on a different set of features. They have over 16 features based on like age, job, what is the marital status, education, what they have a balance in their account, what's their housing loan or different contact, how we are speaking to a certain customer. So we have like 16 features on this. Based on these 16 features, we are trying to predict whether a particular customer will opt for a term deposit or no. This is the project I'll be presenting tomorrow.
Okay. So, and when can you start? When will you be available to start on the internship?
I got an EAD card, so it shows me I should start from February 11th. That's my start date of OPT.
Now, if you have an EAD card, and so you already finished your
Yeah,
master's.
I'll be graduating this December 18th.
Mm. But then this internship may not make sense to you, right? Because this is unpaid internship. If you already got your EAD, then you would
I just want
probably.
to get an experience right now, so I'm just working on different projects.
But when? How much time will you be able to give us?
I could give around, I would say like 15 to 12 hours a week.
How much?
Hello?
Did you say for like 15, 20 days?
15 to 20 hours a week.
No, but how many months will you be available?
Because I'll be working here and I will be working here as a data science professional in the same college. I don't think I have.
Oh, so you're going to be working at the college itself. Your
Yes.
EAD is for working in the college.
Currently, I'm working in the college for
Okay, so but
virtual college.
will we have you for at least 6 months?
Yeah, you can have me for 6 months.
Okay. All right.
I think I'll be available till
Put your
June,
phone
July.
number. Put your phone number, and when the Rocky builds a team in Carnegie Mellon, we would definitely want to have you in the team.
Okay.
Right?
I'll be available till maybe August
Okay.
2025.
So we can, but can you start like pretty much right away this
Yeah,
week, next week?
I could start like maybe in 2 weeks because I have
Two.
to. Yes, because
Okay.
I need to complete my. I mean, I need to wrap up whatever I'm doing in this.
Okay. All right. Okay. Put your phone number, and either myself or Rocky will call you back.
Okay.
Okay. or I put your phone number in the chat. So to conclude, Prince, we are going to talk. Can you find out if Rahul is
Yeah.
available so that we can talk about how to implement? And there is a guy named Manav Parikh in your college.
I don't know. Like I only know Rahul.
No. The reason I
Yeah.
mentioned that is because
Mhm.
Manav has been helping us
Okay.
for social media. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I do want to find somebody else who can take over
Hmm.
that social media thing from him
Hmm.
when he
Okay.
leaves. Okay. Because he
Okay.
will be
Yeah.
graduating in another month. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So if you're available, but at least you and Rahul are there, we can start talking. Uh,
Yeah.
uh, Rocky will share with you the list of all the other people. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
then we can talk about if any of those and how we can get them started.
Yeah.
All right.
For sure. Yeah. So,
Okay.
like, I have one doubt. Like, I wish, I wish to join this internship as possible, as soon as possible. So, but the thing is, like, I'm eligible to work from the May. So, should I join right now? Is it okay with you?
No, for me it's okay because I need
Hmm.
people to start implementing in Pace
Hmm.
University
Okay.
immediately. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
For your documentation, if you want that
Mhm.
to start at a different point in future, we'll put effective date based on whatever
Yeah.
makes
Yeah.
sense to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's fine. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine for
Rocky
me.
will help
Yeah.
you in that. Okay.
Yeah. That's fine for me.
So
Yeah.
I would want to talk to you and to Rudra now
Okay.
about implementation in your college. Okay.
Yeah.
So Rocky and Varsista, I want you to uh, uh, give us some ideas about the look and feel. Can you come up with some ideas of look and feel for how the TV show should look like? Uh, the whole idea is, like while I'm watching Shark Tank, you're seen Shark Tank, right?
Hmm? Yeah.
Have you seen Shark Tank?
Yes, yes.
Right. So I always felt that I'm watching Shark Tank and I would love to discuss with somebody, and there was no audience participation in Shark Tank. Okay. So, I created a companion app for Shark Tank. Similarly, I thought the interview process, if it's happening in front of everybody, then in that interview process, uh, we can get audience participation. Or the way I wanted interview process was, imagine you are watching Shark Tank and they're talking about something, whether it's a, a fashion or a food product, okay? And you said you are interested in that. And if there were QR code of people were available to say, we are interested in funding a startup in fashion or in food, then you could scan and go right there while watching this show and register yourself as a person who is
Hmm.
interested.
Yeah.
Same thing we want to do it for placement.
Okay.
So Rocky is a HR guy. He's looking for some candidate, and uh, let's say this credit card. And Hasnain Somani has some background in credit cards in Pakistan also in gift cards. Now in India gift cards are not that common,
No,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So why not? Can we launch them in India? And now, uh, so uh, I would want to say, hey, I would want to hire somebody like Hasnain. Now, Hasnain may or may not be available, but people who are watching him talk about his project, okay, and me discussing that. So, uh, people can get ideas of applying to certain employers while watching a TV show. and
Okay.
that is what we want to capture. Okay,
Mhm.
so try to see what you can do now.
Okay.
Rudra, elaborate your idea. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
go ahead.
So, like as of now, I understand. There is a video interviews in YouTube. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. So, like the video interviews, it's I think it's 14 minutes long. Yeah, it's 1 hour long. So,
Hmm.
like if any recruiter come and like see like how these things work, so he has to take too much time. So we make the any generative model that can be convert any video link to blog link. So it takes just 10 minutes to review the whole interview, and other
Right.
students also take the look and understand what kind of questions they will ask
Can
in the
we
interview.
can we take a resume of a person
Uh-huh.
and convert it into video format?
Okay.
Look, a lot of things are happening in AI.
Yeah.
So people are saying from a script they can make a movie or a video, right?
Yeah.
So why not take a job description and
Mhm.
convert it into video form?
So like for video format, like the using the person face, yeah, anything.
That's where the creativity comes in. Okay,
Okay.
it would be great if we can use person space. Okay, if
Okay.
person space is not available, we
Hmm.
can create an animated image. Okay, if
Okay.
if we are showing uh, somebody, a job description for Tata Motors, okay,
Okay.
then it is for you to decide. How do you present it?
Okay.
Do you show Tata
So,
Motors
sir,
product?
I have one doubt. So,
Yeah.
like any recruiter have take a look in resume. So, according to me, like I meet some recruiters, and they told me they have only 7 seconds to look at a one resume. Say just so what you have
You
experience.
are
So,
you are absolutely right. Okay,
okay.
and that is why I am saying if you want to capture somebody's attention,
Yeah.
you need an impressive video clip,
Okay.
right? And can we help the students to create video maze, interesting visual representation of themselves?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and they can come to our AI interview room, create their video pitch. Okay, just now
Okay.
you presented yourself. Okay,
Okay.
and I review it, and I suppose I give you, I'm just picking up a number. Okay, that so don't feel
Mm-hmm.
good or bad about it. Okay,
Yeah.
just a number. Okay, but let's say if I give you 65% mark. Okay,
Okay.
and you said, oh no, I can do better than that. So you
Oh.
can say, no, 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 don't save this image. I'm going to make. Give me 5 minutes. I'm going to prepare myself. I'm going to come back and record it again. And now I get, you know, 90% marks. Oh, now I want to save this resume
Okay.
in my profile, right?
Yeah.
And now this resume can be presented to an employer. Okay. Same
Okay.
way for an employer when they are trying to hire somebody. Okay. Right now, I'm trying to hire you guys. So I have to impress you with my job ideas. And uh, if I just put my job description in the form of a document, uh, and if that is not impressive, then I may not, just like a recruiter has 7 seconds, a candidate also does not have an hour to read the job description, right? So
Yes.
job description also has to be attractive. Yes. So anybody that can think of making this process more effective, you have impressing the opposing party or the other party, like a student has to impress employers, employer to impress the candidates. Okay, so think of what we can do, and if we can convert into a video format uh, using that candidate's photograph, that will be great. Or a candidate can come and talk himself, and that will be a video can get created as the candidate is talking and saved. That's what example I gave you. And a candidate can get to see it and say, am I making my presentation very, very well? If it is not very well, let me take another shot. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In fact, uh, our CTO, Rakesh Khatri,
We'll join in some time only.
yeah, he will join right away. His power has just come back. Uh, so I will ask him. But Rudra, have you done any work? Like, can you think of this uh, resume to video make conversion process?
Sure, sir.
Okay,
I give a shot. Yeah.
okay, give it a shot.
Yeah.
And the even more tough is job description to video presentation.
Yeah. Like in that way, I have to think like how we can explain using animations. Like,
Right.
yeah.
Now, hi, Rakesh. I was wondering because when you disappeared, I said something must have happened, And then your phone number, when I got dialed it says it has been directed to another number.
Uh,
So,
when power outage happens, my both phone and internet both go down when
right,
there's a
right,
power outage.
right. Now, guys, Rakesh Khatri is our CTO, so you will be dealing a lot with him. And Rakesh, I'll summarize the meeting for you. And we here Varshishta came and talked about, showed her design, her Figma designs,
Okay.
and I would like her to uh, apply her mind to our CJN and
Okay.
come up with an attractive UI UX. Okay,
Okay.
and uh, how we will show it on a tablet or on a mobile phone and things like that.
Okay.
Uh, so that is for sure. And Hong is a AI enthusiast, originally from Vietnam, and now where are you, Hong? Which college?
Grand Valley University in Michigan.
Grand Valley.
Yes.
Grand Valley in Michigan. Grand Valley University, Michigan. Okay, you have put your phone number somewhere, right? Hong, have you put your phone number in the chat?
Yes.
Okay, that 503 number, right?
Yes.
That's 1 503 734 5300. How did you get a number 5300?
Yeah, I don't
That
know.
sounds like a business number. Good number. So, Rakesh, she is
Huh.
interested in healthcare. Now,
Okay.
our Shriyansh wanted to take time off for exam. So, whatever he was working on in healthcare project, I thought we'll hand it off to Hong
Okay.
and see if she would want to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the other guys, Rudra and Prince. Now, Prince is from Pace University. So I told him about Manav, and his roommate
Uh,
is Rahul Sharma.
I don't see Prince. Prince is there. Yeah, I see. Sorry.
Yeah, Prince Gupta is there. Yeah. So Rahul Sharma is a DevOps guy. Okay.
Right.
And Prince is a data science guy. So now from Pace University, we have some 70, 80 people. Okay.
Correct.
So we can start planning, implementing rewards engine or CJN over there. Okay.
Correct.
And I wanted Prince and Rahul to take a lead in that. Okay.
Correct.
So that they will do. Rudra is from LA. Now,
Okay.
Rudra, I mean, LA is full of this whole media talent, right? The
Yeah.
whole Hollywood, right?
Yeah.
Uh, now, I don't know where Shark Tank people are themselves located, the producers. Okay.
Okay.
Do some research. We want to talk to them because there is something we can do with them.
Sure.
Okay. Uh, now, Rakesh, Rudra is going to create a program to convert the resumes to video mails and job description to video job description. Okay.
Okay.
Now you had talked, Rakesh, you had shown me something actually, right? A text to video.
Yeah.
Do you have something that you can show right now?
Let me see that. Pull up that video and see if
Okay.
I have that
Now,
video.
while you're talking, Kiran is from Carnegie Mellon. Okay, another great place.
Okay.
And he was showing us the project that he's working on. But what we should do, Rocky, from now on is we should have the table. Like Rakesh, you had created a table by skill set. There should be a table by the college and by the cities, right?
We
Or
have
in
that table.
where is? Can you have that? Carnegie Mellon. I want to know how many students are there from Carnegie Mellon. How many are from PACE?
Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Let us open up that document.
Okay.
So yeah, I have the document open. I'll make myself a presenter. You want the numbers or you want to make myself the presenter and show you?
So become a presenter and show.
Okay. Okay. So this is me presenting the screen. Okay. Now you want which one?
Text to video.
Text to video you want? I thought you want to see the data. Carnegie Mellon University, we got
Oh, okay,
about
data,
37.
data. Show the data. Carnegie Mellon.
Carnegie Mellon, we've got about 37 applicants.
37 applicants. Okay.
So the applicants are, these are the applicants, list of applicants that are there. Multiple are there. So I can do is, I can remove the duplicates.
9.
So 9 duplicates were there out of that. So all in all, we have total 28 unique applicants. 28 unique students we've got. Carnegie Mellon. 28 is the count, sir. Carnegie Mellon.
Okay.
28 unique students.
Okay. So we can send you this list, Kiran. Okay. And then if you know any of those people, that will be great. What about Pace University, Rakesh?
Pace University.
And we can send that list to Prince.
Pace University, 109 people. 109
Okay.
applications.
So Prince,
Yes, sir.
can you and Rahul take a lead?
So 43 were duplicate. So 66 unique are there. 66 students are there.
Okay. So what we want to do is like the rewards engine. If we want
Mhm.
to test, we can
Yeah.
test it as a peer-to-peer rewards. Okay.
Yes.
So first, giving the registering, giving the rewards, converting them into coupon, and then New York is a very interesting place. So we'll find
Yes.
a lot of cafes to say, yeah, we'll redeem the coupon. Let a
Yes. Yes.
student come here, we'll give him 10% discount, 15%,
Yes.
25%, whatever, right? And that is
Yes.
what we want to prove. We want to
Mhm.
prove that this is a good relationship, good arrangement for both. You know,
Yes.
students feel enthused that they do something cool in the college, in academic, in sports, art, community service, whatever. They get reward point. They can convert into a coupon, go into neighborhood cafe, and get a coffee.
Yes. Yes.
And
For
then
sure,
if we
sir.
can show it happening in the neighborhood cafe, then we can go to Starbucks and sell it to them.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is
And
the huge opportunity. We have to do MVP first. Okay.
yes, this is a good initiative actually, like for students also, like as well as for the universities also,
Mm.
to engage in more and more in the curriculum part. Yeah.
Just give me 2 more minutes. I'll just pull out the document. Doesn't look there
Okay.
on my hard drive. I need to connect my drive. Just give me 2 minutes.
In fact, sir, there are some cafes near the in our university, Pace University, that are linked with the like the Pace University. So there are some cafes. If we will show the iCard to them, so they are giving some 5% discount on that product.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Great. So, guys, I mean, Rudra and Kiran, you should look at yourself as some kind of project partners, and so should Prince. Okay. Now,
Yes.
Varshishta, you really can, uh, work with Rakesh on changing the look and feel, UI UX of CJN, and also the smart cookie. Rakesh, one of the things that I keep thinking these days is, can there be, see, like you created, Rakesh, a rewards app for corporate as one
Correct.
app for employee and manager, right?
Correct. Correct.
Can we create something, one app for students and teachers? Okay.
Yes, we can.
No, but there are different mappings and different things. The way we did it, partly we got kind of influenced by what AICT wanted, right?
Correct. Correct.
And maybe we may have to rethink that. But we need some good developers, designers for that. But this process is quite time consuming. Uh, but nevertheless, at least we got whatever people we got. Let's get them started.
This,
Uh,
this is a video that I created from writing the script out. So this is text to video.
yeah. Uh, this you created? So you wrote a text for CJN and said convert it into video. Rakesh, can you send it to the list of these two colleges to these guys and also to me? Let's send me the student. No, Rocky,
Yes,
this
sir.
is how you need to set yourself. Are you there, Rocky?
Yes,
Question was
sir.
there. Were you able to hear the audio?
Okay.
Yes.
No, no, I couldn't hear the audio. But Rocky, set
Yes, sir.
yourself in such a way that if somebody asks this question,
I thought
okay, how many people in you know Illinois Institute of Technology? Rakesh find the answer, but give that thing to Rocky also, so that Rocky can also find the answers quickly. So every time
yes,
we find one person, we should tell him, hey, there are other 15 people, there are other 60 people, right?
correct.
Yes, sir.
Illinois
Now,
Institute
Rocky,
of Technology. You want? Okay.
uh, now there is a girl. I don't know whether she's available right now. Let me try. Rakesh, do you remember that
Yeah.
Suchi Goel?
Illinois Institute of Technology, there were 66 applicants, and after we remove the duplicates, we will have 48 unique in Illinois Institute of Technology. 48 unique, sir.
Hmm.
I,
Varshishta, when can you come up with some cool designs for us?
Like in the January, like end of December, because like I came to India, that I plan to go to my native place in the next week.
Hey, listen, I was expecting an answer tomorrow or day after, not December, January.
Like the normal like pencil images, I can get it in 2-3 days. But in
Yeah, do something like that. Just anything to get the process started. And
yeah,
Rocky, build a
Yes, sir.
UI UX team around her. Okay,
Hmm.
this girl has 2 years of experience with Infosys, right?
Hmm.
yes,
And you know, getting her to talk about UI UX, invite other interns. Okay, uh,
Hmm.
do we have? Don't we have designers from US? How many people? How many designers have applied from US? Rakesh,
We
how many
have
designers from US?
US.
you, yeah.
Hold on. UI UX designer. I will open up the Excel to see if there's any UI UX category put up there.
Yeah, yeah, it's there. It is there. Designers are there. Yes, 17 of them or something.
Okay. This one. Job applied for. Applied to name. So in UI UX, we've got about 118 applications.
118. Wow.
UI
And
UX.
I'm wrong.
And if I remove the duplicates, then
Persista, if we send you these resumes, can you go through them and see if what do you think of them?
okay, yeah, I can.
Okay, let's do that. and then we can have a meeting like this one of these days, see their designs, and select some 10 people, right?
119, all of them are unique.
Oh, really? That's very good. So send that list, Rakesh, to Varsista and to me.
Okay. Varsista, put your name. I may not have your name in this. You may have put it earlier. I may not have that.
Okay.
I joined in late.
Yeah, I'll send my number.
Okay.
And one more thing, can I have the like already there CGN portal link like to get some idea?
App.cjn.com,
Now,
right?
yeah, app.cgnnow.com.
Okay, okay.
App. I showed it to you, remember?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Check the link in the chat.
Okay.
Posting YouTube
And
video
also
for
on
YouTube.
YouTube,
Yeah,
Rakesh,
YouTube I have that
What
what you have to
videos.
CJN now.
she
Yeah.
has YouTube. She has YouTube. She wanted this.
Yeah, I put my number in the chat box.
Okay. I'll just set this up.
But Rocky, look, out of 700, even if you get 7 people a day, it will continue for 100 days, right?
Mm,
So you need to have multiple meetings like this, right?
mm,
And somebody else other than myself should conduct that, okay? But
mm.
बीच बीच में my husband Rakesh will also come
ठीक है.
because all these people will be helpful, especially AIML में. Lot of things we have to do. Now, Rocky, did you try to invite these people with? Did you find people with React?
हाँ मिल गए 12 लोग थे मिल गए थे.
अभी देखो आप बोले कुछ नहीं, कोई नहीं था, ऐसा क्यों? हाँ? मैंने बोला था आपको है करके, right?
Yes sir.
But can you not call them? Anybody that has an actual, at least, 2 to 4 years of US experience, right?
Yes sir, we will call them.
Not US, 2 to 4 years of React experience.
So I have also shared the Starter World registration link. Please register on the Starter World. If you get a call and you are a late joiner, please let them know that you are a late joiner and mention your date of joining. So you will also get NDA form on your emails. Once you have signed that NDA, it's a non-disclosure form where you confirm that you will not disclose your or our company information and the project information with anyone. So after that, if any credentials are there which we have to share with you, we will be sharing that.
Hi, I try to sign up for the startup world, but I try to receive the OTP, but I try two-way mobile and email. It doesn't work.
So you are not
Don't
able
try
to get
mobile.
OTP.
OTP, get it by email. It will come by email.
Yeah, I just try you by email, but nothing sent. You know how long it will send the OTP?
It should have come. Email should have come right away.
Yeah.
Can you try it again? Become a presenter.
Yeah.
We'll take a look at it. Why would it not go, Rakesh, by email?
It should go by email. I don't see any reason why it should not go by email. The email we have said that it should go by email.
Oh, I try the campus. Still not receive any from email.
All right, we can close this meeting, Rakesh. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And we can talk tomorrow.
Okay.
Prince, I will call you a little later. Have you No, give me your number
Hong,
again.
have you shared your number in the chat box, right? Don't worry. I will check with my team also and will definitely get back to you.
Okay. Yeah, I already put my phone number on
Yes,
the
yes,
in the
I
chat.
have that. I have that. I've
Okay.
shared mine also. You can take follow up with me tomorrow once you are available. Fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
team, we are going to close this call. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Okay,
You
guys.
should
Thank you.
you will receive
Yes, sir.
email.
So,
Varshita, you'll receive this file in some time. Sir, I've just sent it to you. I'm just adding Vashishta's number. Once I have that, I'll add.
I have her number. You
Okay.
just
I'm just
go.
attached the file. You should get it in 10 seconds.
Okay.
sir, I have shared my number in the chat box.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
551. Okay.
Yes, five
All
by
right.
one.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you, Hong. Thank you, everyone. We
Thank
will
you.
Thank you.
definitely talk Hong again tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, sent you the list.
Yeah.
It should be in your inbox and WhatsApp. Small file. It should be.
Raja, अच्छे लोग आ रहे हैं. We have to come up with a way of using.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Okay. Thanks. Bye bye.
Yeah.